Combiz.
Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Karan and today we will discuss EPCG scheme. EPCG scheme or Export Promotion Capital Goods scheme helps in providing the import of capital goods for manufacturing quality products and to enhance the competitiveness of India's export. This scheme permits the import of capital goods that are used in the pre-production, during production and post-production without custom duty charges. In simple words, EPCG scheme can be explained as duty-free or zero customs duty import of capital goods or machinery for the manufacture of products meant for export. We already know that the heavy custom duties companies have to pay on the capital goods or machinery imported for the production's requirements, due to which businessmen generally don't import them and compromise with the quality of the products. The higher the machinery price used to be, the higher the custom duty was. And this functionality started affecting the competitiveness and quality of the manufacturing industries deeply. So to improve this condition, the Indian government introduced this scheme where it is allowed to import capital goods at zero customs duty. The primary objective of this scheme is to improve the competitiveness of India in the manufacturing sector. So who can avail benefits from this scheme? EPCG is aimed to promote exports and the Indian government through this scheme provides incentives and other financial help to exporters. Heavy exporters could benefit from this provision. However, it is not advisable to go ahead with this scheme for those who don't expect to manufacture in quality or expect to sell the product completely, as it could become almost impossible to accomplish the obligations set under this scheme. Now I will tell you who can apply for this scheme. EPCG license can be granted to the following exporters category. Number 1 is manufacturer exporter. Number 2 is merchant exporter with a supporting manufacturer. Third one is service provider who is exporting services like hotel industry. Now let's discuss some vital documents required for obtaining EPCG license. Remember that ANF 5B form is to be filled along with the certified copies of the documents such as IEC or import export code. Second is DSC. Third one is PAN card. Fourth one is brochure. Fifth one is RCMC or registration cum membership certificate. Sixth one is registration certificate from tourism department. Seventh one is pro forma invoice. Eighth one is excise registration if registered. Ninth one is self-certified copy plus original certificate of AC. 10th one is self-certified copy plus original certificate of chartered engineer, and the last one is GST registration certificate. Now I will tell you how to apply for EPCG license online. The candidate or applicant must submit an application in DGFT official website to obtain EPCG license. First you have to visit the DGFT official website, then you have to log in with the digital signature certificate, then select services and file online application. Then click on EPCG 0%, fill out all the information and upload all the documents. After filing all the information, submit the application. And once you submit all the application, the DGFT will issue the EPCG license. So that's it for today. For more updates, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.